Hello everyone, good morning. So in the last class we had completed our 2.1 and you all know that when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the angle formed in each pair of corresponding angles which are congruent, alternate angles are congruent and interior angles are supplementary. Interior angles means the interior angles are supplementary means 180 degree, their addition is 180 degree. See practice set 2.2 question 1. What we have to do, choose the correct option. In the adjoining figure, line M is parallel to line N and P is a transversal. We have to find out the value of X. For that they have given us 4 options. So while writing you have to write down first given. What is given? Line M is parallel to line N and P is a transversal. What we have to find? The value of X. Now in the given we have 3x and x. 3x and x form a pair of interior angles. You all know? We know that each pair of interior angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is supplementary means 180 degree, that we know, means x plus 3x is equals to 180 degree. Property of interior angles, x plus 3x is 4x is equals to 180 means x is equals to 180 upon 4. We got x is equals to 45 degree, which is C option, means C option is correct. Understood? Now see second one. Same, choose the correct option. Line A is parallel to line B and line L is transversal. So from we have to find out X. What is given? And to find out value of X. Now we draw same figure and we'll give names to everything. A, B, E, G, H, F, D, C. Now we can see that GHB and CHF, GHB and CHF, these two angles are opposite angles and opposite angles are same, means CHF is 2x, that means GHB is also 2x. Now here 2x, we find out 2x, that is this. Now AGH and BHG is equals to 180 degree. See interior angles, got it? So angle AGH plus BHG is equals to 180 degree. Property of interior angles. What is AGH? 4x and BHG we have found out, that is 2x is equals to 180. 4x plus 2x is 6x is equals to 180. That's why x is equals to 180. Divide by 6, 30. The value of x is 30. So D option is correct. Got it everyone? Now see question 2. Same, the figure is given to us, that is line P is parallel to line Q and x and y. We have to find out the measure of x and y. What is given to us? That is line P is parallel to line Q. And what we have to find? The measure of angle x and angle y. See, we have to draw the diagram again. Give the names to the diagram. Now see, here we can see KLI and HLD. KLI and HLD. These two are opposite angles and opposite angles are equal. That means KLI is also 70 degree because DLH is also 70 degree. Opposite angles are equal. We found out KLI is equals to 70. Now see, KLI plus JIL is equals to 180. KLI, this one L, and JIL is 180 degrees. See interior angles by this transversal line. Property of interior angle, which is equals to 180 degree. KLI we found out 70. GIL is Y is equals to 180. We have to find out Y is equals to 180 plus 70 is came over here means minus 70, it becomes minus 70. 180 minus 70 is equals to 110. The value of y is 180 we got. Sorry, 110. The value of y we have found out, 110. Now see, angle BKL plus JKL is equals to 180. You see, where is B? BKL plus JKL. It becomes a linear pair. Linear pair you all have learned in class 7. That is, there is common line between the two angles. That it linear pair. BKL and JKL. Pair of linear angle, linear pair. It also 180 degree. Means JKL is equals to 180 minus x, because we have BKL x plus JKL is equals to 180. That means JKL is equals to 180 minus x. Our first equation. Understood? See second one. KJI plus AJI. KJI plus AJI. See, same linear pair. Before two angles we have one common line. It also becomes a linear pair. KJI we have 40 plus KJI is equals to 180. So we got KJI is equals to 140 degree. From 1 and 2, see, KJI plus JKL. KJI plus JKL. It be pair of linear interior angles which is equals to 180 degree. KJI we have 140. JKL we have 180 minus x is equals to 180. Understood? Now minus x. X is one side, variable is one side and numbers on other side. So here we have minus x. So minus x is equals to 180. This plus 180 came over here, becomes minus 180, and plus 140 same, minus 140. So 180 minus 180 0. We have here minus 140, means minus x is equals to minus 140. Minus minus got cancelled. We got x is equals to 140 degree. Understood? Just repeat. I am repeating once again. What we do? First we found out opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal, means this 70 means this is also a 70 degree. Then what we have done? KLI plus JIL. KLI plus JIL. It is a property of interior angle. Means 70 plus y is equals to 180 degree. We got y is equals to 110. Then what we do here? Linear pair. It becomes a linear pair. That is BKL plus JKL 180. So we found JKL 180 minus x. Then we found out another linear pair and we got KJI is equals to 180. But KJI and JKL is equals to 180 degree. We found out KJI 140 and JKL 180 minus x is equals to 180. Then what we do? Numbers one side and variable one side, and we found x. Understood? See, it's very easy. Do it slowly, properly. Write down in your notebook, write down date, day and this sums. Thank you.